Hello, in this video I want to show you how to quickly end or close any apps or games on Asus ROG Ally. And to do that, first let's open our Armory crate, then go for the settings, and inside Edit Command Center, make sure that you've added End Task right here. Now we can open basically any game. Let's go for this one. Open your Command Center and then scroll down. Here we have End Task, and it basically acts like Alt F4, and it closes any game or app instantly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.